Good Tuesday morning, all. Today is Travel Tuesday. Remember to use I feel lucky when logging into Google Earth. We want to experience places in the world that we do not know much about. Be ready to share at 8:30. Today we will take the language map test. Please make sure you do not ask questions during the test like how much more time is it? Or how many more questions are there? These are disruptive to your other classmates. Know that this test will be approximately 50 to 55 questions today. Do not rush. You will have another time to finish. It is important that you take your time so we can get the best result in how to teach you this year. Take a stretch break when needed. I will see you guys at 8:30 this morning, and let's make it a great Tuesday all.